พื่อให้เป็นสักก่อนชื่อเนาะว่าเราก็ต้องเริ่มทำบินมาเลยผมมองมาก่อนดู
And then shopping and was the banana and
สั่งได้นานนะใช่ไหม
sugars.
some sugar okay so
And then shopping and bought the banana, some sugar
and vegetables make much
I went shopping. I bought the banana, some sugar, some vegetable and eggs.
and eggs okay now you remember เป็นสักก่อน repeat ก็คือเนาะ
I went shopping. I bought banana, some sugar, some vegetable, some egg
and
and the mobile phone.
a mobile phone oh you have a lot of money okay next money
I went shopping. I bought a banana, some sugar, some vegetables, eggs, a mobile phone, and the milk.
and
Milk.
and some milk because milk is not countable you cannot say and some milk okay next let's meet the lucky last person
I went to shopping. I bought banana, some sugar, some vegetables, some eggs, and a mobile phone. Some milk, and some
and someone
มาบา
mama.
สั่งมา
Mama.
สั่งบริษัทหมอ